One of our member, Mr. Rajiv, is also there, and he would like to ask you a couple of questions.
What are the occasions in which a breach of trust happens?
Here the question talking about the what are the breach. See, the misconception and breach is one of the finest topics here. Most of the time, the leader he feels that he knows the things best because he is coming to a position after a very long battle, maybe 10 years, 15 years of his experience. Okay, then he gets a position. So he has in the mind that he knows everything best. So when he approaches a team, he goes with the kind of mindset, okay, that he knows everything others are not that much equipped to know, or much equipped. This is actually a misconception which creates a lot of conflicts. Secondly, he doesn't carry his intelligence, he carries the incidences. When I say I'm experienced for 20 years in the industry, you always like to quote all the incidents of what happened, but he misses of the intelligence. So I always say that the leader should carry the intelligence because the incidences what you are seeing today is different from what you were seeing yesterday. The people are different and issues are different, and even the environment, the intelligence, everything is different. So you as a leader, successful leader, carry your intelligence the way you manage and come and handle situation here. That's another thing. And most importantly, the breach of the trust happens when you commit something and you will not obey or you will not follow up that. You commit some date, this date I'll come back to you and do this. And this year the appraisal I am going to take up this. And he is anxiously waiting for the day. But the same thing happens, the appraisal day comes, you don't even care about that. This is a breach of trust happens exactly. And most importantly, we always tend to take things granted. I am working for a larger organization, legacy organization. When a person comes into my company, he feels more comfortable. So you're going to stay forever. It is not true. Whether you have a startup or you have a brilliant old and legacy organization, the millennials coming into the organization has a basic expectation. Like they expect when I come to the place, the ambience has to be plug, play, perform, and progress. If I don't get a plug, play, perform, and progress kind of ambience, it's a breach. They expect this and come. So it is manager or leader has to give the ambience inside where they everything is set. The right laptop, good CRM kind of what do you call management platform, and everything in one platform, and very good colleagues and ambience, and rightly briefing of his work and work-life balance and holiday, everything is on properly done. All these things should be in place. This is the basic need, the hygiene factor here that has to be taken care by the managers actually.
In other words, what you are saying is that what a person expects and you are not able to meet that, it amounts to a breach of trust.
Absolutely, absolutely.